When your data security posture needs managing, the last thing you want is to piece together risk signals manually, like assembling furniture with no instructions and half the screws missing.
Joe S&A has a post on that exact problem. Microsoft Purview's DSPM moving to general availability and what the new data security posture agent actually changes for security and compliance teams. Let's start with what that shift means in practice.
The core question here is what changes when a security feature moves from preview to general availability, and whether GA status actually signals something meaningful for teams already managing data risk in Microsoft 365.
The post frames the value proposition directly. Instead of piecing things together manually, you get clear insights, risk signals, and practical recommendations to help improve your overall data security posture.
So the upshot is consolidation, one centralized view replacing a fragmented manual process, which for compliance teams managing large Microsoft 365 environments is genuinely significant.
The headline addition in this release is the Data Security Posture Agent, now fully available. It gives teams a centralized view of data risks, surfaces gaps in their security posture, and provides actionable recommendations with direct remediation steps, not just a dashboard to stare at.
The rollout window runs from late May through late June 2026, so depending on your organization's Purview deployment timing, you may already have access, or it's arriving soon.
One detail worth flagging for teams nervous about migration headaches: the transition from preview is seamless. Existing configurations carry over intact. No policy reconfiguration required.
Which is a small but real thing. New capability with zero forced rework is not the default in enterprise security tooling.
The post identifies IT admins, security teams, and compliance professionals as the primary audience. Essentially anyone responsible for data protection within Microsoft 365. And notably, no action is required to enable the feature. The recommendation is to explore the new DSPM capabilities, review how the data security posture agent fits your existing strategy, and brief your compliance teams on what's now available.
GA status, seamless rollout, no manual toggle. The barrier to actually using this is now just knowing it exists.
Which is exactly the kind of update worth surfacing.
Visibility into data risk without rebuilding your configuration from scratch, that's a reasonable ask, and apparently now a delivered one.
More on how these posture tools evolve in practice next time.
Artlist